Did you know that 90% of viral sports videos succeed because of their thumbnail? Today, I'll show you exactly how to design a professional sports thumbnail that grabs attention and makes your videos stand out like the big channels. Before we start, I have put the PSD file in the description. You will find all the assists to start designing with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me so I can continue with these explanations. This means a lot to me. First, I brought those torn papers to put pictures of Messi's life on them. Then, I noticed that the main Messi picture was of poor quality. So I made an upscale for it using the Upscale program, which is completely free and easy to use. I placed the improved image in the middle, then adjusted the colors using the camera raw filter as usual, then a little dodge and burn as I explained in the previous video. Then, I started adding pictures of Messi's life to make storytelling. Just put the pictures inside those torn papers and cut off the excess edges. When you're done adding the pictures, I made one picture blue and one white to create something like the Argentine flag. I did that by creating a hue and saturation layer and colored them one by one. Then I made a glow effect that made Messi look more attractive and clear. I did that by creating a solid layer and choosing the white color. Using the brushes, I clicked on the buttons behind Messi, then put the blending mode on the dodge liner. Then add the front glow. The same process and the same brushes. I made a glow on Messi's neck and his throat, just like I did. You can also add another subtle glow with the same blending mode that makes him glow more. After finishing, I put vignette to make the focus more on Messi, and also the texture I put on a screen in the background to make it sharper. The idea here is that you don't overdo it. Just draw using the mask on the images. After that, we are almost done. You can do whatever you want. A light font behind Messi. I chose a font used with a white stroke. Then I chose a suitable font. This is the most difficult stage for every designer, which is choosing the font. Finally, after finishing, I learned the camera raw filter to improve the color of the image and make it pop more.
And that's how you design a powerful sports thumbnail that gets clicks and makes your content stand out. But hey, if you're a content creator and you want a custom thumbnail designed just for you to boost your views and make your channel look professional, reach out to me on Instagram or Discord. The links are right below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.